Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is February 17, 2016. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. So again, another day here. We see the futures trading higher. We'll see if they can hold the gains into the close. If they do, this would be the third consecutive higher high. And that would be quite an accomplishment for 2016, as that has not happened all year. Looking at the S&P 500 E-mini futures, they are trading higher by 14.5. Make that 15.25 points right now to 1904 per contract. So they were just a touch higher a little bit earlier. They have come back down. We did get some economic news at 8:30. You could check that out for yourself. We care about price action, not so much about the news. All right, let's get into some stocks here that are moving. Let's see where we can make some money. We're going to start the day off with Priceline. PCLN is the ticker symbol here. Stock closed at $1,110.68. It is now trading at $1,226.03. That's a huge move for Priceline. Great price action there. I might have some gap levels for this, but if I do, they will be posted in the chat room at 9 a.m. Right now, it's a very big stock, sometimes a little bit on the thin side. When I mean thin is some days it does not trade 1 million shares a day. Sometimes you'll look and it'll trade 250,000 or 200,000, and those are stocks that can overshoot levels. So I'm a little bit cautious when I put those out as a gap play. I do see some real nice gap levels, though, so we'll see how that plays out. And again, if I do decide to post, it'll be put up in the chat room at 9 a.m. Another one that I'm looking at right now is going to be T-Mobile, TMUS. Stock is trading sharply higher. I do have gap levels for this one today. Right now, the stock is trading at $37.88. Closed at $36.45. Gap levels for this one will be posted at 9 o'clock in the morning. Let's take a look at Express Scripts. ESRX is the ticker symbol here. Stock closed at $68.65. It's now trading at $68. So there's not a big movement. But if the stock does get down to 64.25, I do like it there. Otherwise, we'll be looking at this one once the opening bell rings, and we'll take it from there. And once again, if you want to trade these names and any other stocks alongside of us, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. And again, we're having a sensational 2016. We're going to look to keep that going again today. Let's take a look at Rackspace, ticker symbol RAX. Stock is getting hammered to the downside. It closed at $18.17, trading right now at $15.33. It does have a low pivot in place from 2010 around the $15 level, but if that breaks, this can easily go to $14.50. So be very, very careful with Rackspace at this point in time. Let's take a look at Agilent, ticker symbol A, and you're going to see the stock closed at $37.08, trading right now, it looks like at around $37.15, so no big movement there, but this is one that will be in play once the opening bell rings today. Another one that's not moving right now, which should be on everybody's radar, is going to be Public Storage. Ticker symbol is PSA. Right now, the stock is trading at $238.18, but they did report earnings, so that one could be a mover after the opening bell rings. That will be on our radar. Let's take a look at Garmin. I believe they reported earnings as well. Stock right now is trading at $37.50. I will have gap levels for this one posted up at 9 a.m. Now, real quick, I just want to remind everybody that Expedia could be in play today in sympathy to Priceline. You're seeing that one trade a little bit higher. Again, keep Expedia on the watch list here. I do have some levels, and I will put them in the intraday stock chat room once the opening bell rings. Looking at KMI this morning, that stock is trading higher. Looks like Warren Buffett took a stake in Kinder Morgan. So again, KMI trading nicely higher, closed at $15.62. Now trading at $17.16. This is pretty interesting. Warren Buffett now owns Phillips 66, and now it's buying into the pipelines here. So what is Warren Buffett's plan? Remember back years ago, he bought some railroads. He bought, I believe, one of the big railroad companies, Burlington Northern, and now he's buying some pipelines. So what's his plan? What's he maneuvering into? Only time will tell. All right, so looking at that right now, this is where we are. We'll see how this plays out. But again, lots of levels posted today. So you want to come over at 9 o'clock in the morning, be there early so you get all those levels written down, ready for action right at 9:30. Looking over at the gold market this morning, gold is flat. Right now trading at $12.08. $1,208 an ounce, and that is basically flat on the session. Crude oil is up 60 cents today, trading at 29.64. So again, we're going to be watching both of those equities today, and we'll see how this all plays out once the opening bell rings. But there's a lot going on today. There's a lot of action out here. There's more stocks that I have to talk about and to look at, and I might have even missed a few, but there's a lot on my list, lots of action, lots of money to be made. With that being said, everybody have a great trading day, and we will see you on the charts.